QuickBooks Error 12152. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Verify the date and time settings of your computer. Step 1. Right-click on the date and time at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Then click on Adjust Date and Time. Step 3. Check the current date and time and see if you need to rectify it. Step 4. If you need to make changes, turn off Set Time automatically, then click on Change Next to set the date and time manually. Step 5. In the Change Date and Time window, make the changes and click on Change. Step 6. Once done, close the window and restart the computer. Step 7. When your device comes online, try to update QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Reset Internet Options. Step 1. Press the Windows plus or buttons together at the same time to open Run dialog box. Step 2. Type Control Panel in the Open field and press OK. Step 3. In the following window, click on Internet Options. Step 4. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Step 5. Then click on Restore Advanced Settings. Step 6. Once done, press OK. Step 7. Now, restart the computer and try to download QuickBooks Update. Solution 3. Use Clean Install Tool. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Now, select the Programs and Features. Step 3. From the list of programs, locate your version of the QuickBooks. Step 4. Select the QuickBooks version you want to uninstall and click on Uninstall/Change. Step 5. Now, you need to reinstall QuickBooks again. To do this, open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 6. If you don't have QuickBooks Tool Hub, download it from the official website. Step 7. In Tool Hub, go to the Installation Issues tab and select Clean Install Tool. Step 8. Next, select the QuickBooks Desktop version that was installed previously. Step 9. After the Clean Install tool completely removes QuickBooks from the system, proceed with a fresh QuickBooks installation. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.